ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾ? ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಭೂಮಿ ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಪೂಜಾ ಯಾಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ದೇವಿಯಿಂದ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಮಂಡಲ ಮಾಡ್ಸಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಜಾಗನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ನಾಗ ಬರ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ನಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ದೇವತಾ ಯಾವುದು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಭೂಮಿ ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ? ನಮ್ಮದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಭೂಮಿ ಪೂಜಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಈಗ ಅವರು ಮಂಡಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಈಗ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಮಂಡಲ ಇದು ವಜ್ರಾಯಣ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ವಜ್ರಾಯಣ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ like focusing meditation. You just focus. You can take the image of Buddha, you can take the image of Lord Shiva, anything, Lord, like Jesus Christ or anything. You just focus on that. So this is one type of meditation. We call it focusing meditation or concentrating meditation. Then the second one is the analytical meditations. Very important. Okay. So we analyze. Through meditation we analyze. Very important. Then the third meditation is a reflective meditation. Reflective meditation is very useful for students. Students, after you taken your classes, you come back to your room. Whatever your teacher taught you in the classroom, you can sit down and reflect that. Then it will restore whatever you have studied in the classroom. It will store into your memory very nice. So that is called the reflective meditations. Then another one is visualizing meditations. So mandala is coming under that category. You got it? So mandala, actually all these monks, first they will visualize the mandala in the space. Okay. So then they will start to create the mandala here. So after creating the mandala, whatever they have already visualize in the space, they will infuse that mandala into that particular mandala they are creating right now. So that mandala is going to be very blissful. You got it? So mandala, actually all this Buddhist tradition, they come from India. So India, if you in your home, people are creating a rangoli. You know the rangoli, you are doing that on Deepavali, isn't that? In front of your home, yeah. So early time people are using, it's not working. Hello? Okay, I don't. Am I audible at that side? Are you okay? Yeah. Seems it's not operating. Yeah, and in early, like even today, not only early time, Indian people, they have a tradition to create a rangoli in front of their home. So they are using their hands. So then, like people, they started to pay more attention on the mandala, how to create the mandala. So mandala design is very complicated, very beautiful and very complicated.